Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Most beautiful bouquet. Creating a crochet bouquet can be a beautiful and creative project and review. You can crochet various flower and arrange them into a bouquet. Here are a general guide, beautiful latest crochet hooks, various size and depending on the flowers and the yarn in different color for flowers and leaves. Yarn needles and beautiful flower were optional for streams and floral tab optional for finish this stream. And crochet a variety of flower using different pattern and colors. You can use the rose flower pattern I um, mentioned. So I hope you like it. Guys, please keep sharing and watching my video and see this video till the end and mention me